This is Senpiao's Plywood Testing Laboratory. In this facility, we perform rigorous, JAS-compliant testing on samples from every batch of plywood. Our process encompasses all stages, including sample preparation, conditioning, and comprehensive evaluation of physical properties and environmental standards. We ensure that all test data, such as moisture content, impregnation peel strength, and formaldehyde emission levels, fully comply with JAS requirements. Through our meticulous testing procedures, we guarantee the consistent quality of your orders.